Hello students, I am going to discuss with you the answers of the first assignment that I have given you in chemistry. So the first question is, define the following terms: melting, the process in which solid changes into liquid; vaporization, the process in which liquid changes into water, vapors or gas; boiling point, the temperature at which liquid changes into water, vapor or gas. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Diffusion, the intermixing of two different states of matter. Second question, how does a drop of Dettol get evenly distributed in water due to diffusion? Because in liquid, that is water, there is space between the particles which is occupied by the particles of Dettol. As a result, homogeneous solution is formed. So that is all because of diffusion process. Third question, A part, wax melts in sun, melting; B part, drying of wet clothes, evaporation; C part, formation of clouds, evaporation; D part, density of liquid is more than gases, because in liquid the volume of liquid is less as comparison to volume of gas. So volume and density, they are inversely proportional. So if volume is less, density will be more. So density of liquid is more than gases. Fourth question, A part, camphor disappear because of sublimation. As you know, solid changes directly into gas without leaving any residue. B part, an iron almirah is solid at room temperature because it solid has definite shape, volume, etc. C part, a gas filled vessel completely. As you know, the gas particles have large space between them, and in whichever container they are stored, they occupy the whole space. That's why. Fifth, two common properties between liquid and gases. First is, they do not have fixed shape, and they have the nature of flow. They can easily flow, liquid and gases. Sixth question, sponge, though compressible, is solid because sponge has pores and air is trapped between those pores. So when it is compressed, the air is released out from the pores. That's why, being solid, it is still compressible. Three characteristics of matter is, first, the particles of matter have force of attraction between them. Second, the particles of matter are continuously in motion. Third, the particles of matter have space between them. Eighth question, when inflated air balloon inflates when pricked with a pin because of diffusion, because the gas inside the balloon is under high pressure. So when it is pricked with the pin, the gas inside the balloon that diffuses into the air. So that's why. So due to the diffusion property of gaseous state. What is the effect of pressure on the boiling point? As pressure increases, boiling point also increases. Last question, at what temperature liquid and gas exist together? That is 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius, liquid and gaseous state exist together. But if the question comes, at what temperature liquid and solid exist together, then its answer will be 0 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, this 10th question answer is 100 degrees Celsius. So note down carefully.